Hey everyone, Jim Reiser, SwimLessonsUniversity.com. Welcome to our swim class series. Today I'm with an advanced swim strokes class. It's a 302 class, so they're basically between 6 and 9 years old. They have graduated from swim strokes 202, which means they can do the freestyle with the side breathing and the backstroke. So we're now going to show you progression. I really like to teach them the stroke timing for breaststroke as well as the breath timing for breaststroke. We're going to start with the noodle and doing the stroke timing. All right, so boys and girls, we're going to put our arms out over our noodles. We're going to keep our head up so we can concentrate on the stroke. So we're going to go stroke, kick, and glide till the feet touch. Stroke, kick, glide. And remember, when we stroke, we don't pull big circles. When we stroke, we do small circles so you can see your hands out in front. All right, let's have Kaylee and Lila ready to go. Stroke, kick, glide. Good. Stroke, kick, glide. Excellent. Stroke, kick, glide. Stroke, kick, glide. Good, Kaylee. Boys, go. Stand. Stroke, kick, glide. Stroke, kick, glide. Look, timing's just a little off. Keep going. So I'm just going to help them here a little bit. So Henry, we're going to go. Ready, stroke, kick. Do your kick and glide until the feet touch. Stroke, kick, glide. Stroke, kick, glide. All right, same thing going back. Lila and Kaylee go. Stroke, kick, glide. Stroke, kick, glide. Stroke, kick, glide. She's pulling the knees forward, but that's not the emphasis right now. The emphasis is the timing. So I'm not going to give her what we would call incongruent feedback on that. We'll come back to fixing her legs. Right now we're trying to get the timing, and she's doing great with that. Boys go. Stroke, kick, glide. Stroke, kick, glide. Very good. Ready, Henry, get everything straight. Start straight, Henry. Henry, arms straight. All right, now go stroke, kick, glide, stroke, kick, glide till the feet touch. You're going to hold those arms straight like that until you're done with your kick. Okay? All right, now we're going to add the breath timing. So on the breath timing, boys and girls, what we're going to do is you're going to have the noodles in your arms. Now you're going to put your face in the water. And what I like to use now for those cues are stroke and breathe, kick and glide. Stroke and breathe, kick and glide. So as your hands come apart, you're going to get your breath. And then as you put your head down, you'll kick and keep the head down until your feet touch. So again, repeat after me. Stroke and breathe, kick and glide. Now let's say it all together. Stroke and breathe, kick and glide. Stroke and breathe, kick and glide. All right, ready, Kaylee and Lila, go. Stroke and breathe, kick and glide. Stroke and breathe, kick and glide. Super. Kaylee. Stroke and breathe, kick and glide. Stroke and breathe, kick and glide. Here come the boys. Ready, go. Stroke and breathe, kick and glide. Stroke and breathe, kick and glide. Very good. Good luck. Stroke and breathe, kick and glide. Now, if I was coaching an elite wave action type breaststroke, you would have them keep their head down longer on the out sweep and then come up here. But when we're just looking to get the fundamentals, you'll find that it's easier to stroke and get that breath when the hands separate. And then as they get more advanced, you can also always refine that later on. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and take the noodles. I'm gonna take the noodles and we're gonna put it all together now. Okay, one more. So basically they were just doing regular breaststroke, except they had the noodle under their arms. That flotation helped them concentrate on those different parts of the stroke. Now we're going to put the whole stroke together and do the exact same thing, just without the noodle. Okay? All right, ready? Kaylee and Lila, breaststroke, go. Stroke, breathe, kick, glide. Stroke, breathe, kick, glide. In the water. All right. Fantastic work, everyone. Good job. If you found this video helpful, leave your thumbs up and comments below. If you're looking for a step-by-step, complete training and certification program, head over to swimlessonsuniversity.com, where we put the science back into teaching children to swim. In the meantime, if you haven't already done so, click subscribe and turn your notifications button on so you never miss a video when we put one out. And remember, no other sport skill can save a child's life. Give a child a lifetime gift. Teach him or her to swim.